Hello everyone, welcome back to Story Sprout. Friends, let me ask you, can a poor man with no machines, no money, and only a hammer and chisel break an entire mountain? Most of us would say impossible. But today, I'll tell you the true story of Dashrath Manjhi, the man who did exactly that. Dashrath Manjhi lived in a small, poverty-stricken village called Galore in Bihar. His village was cut off from the outside world by a tall rocky mountain. Schools, hospitals, and the nearest market were far away. To reach them, villagers had to travel over 55 kilometers around the mountain. Imagine, if someone fell sick, by the time they reached a hospital, it would often be too late. Dashrath himself worked as a daily labor, cutting stones and farming small pieces of land. He was very poor, but deeply loved his wife, Falguni Devi. One day, while bringing him food across the dangerous mountain path, Falguni slipped and fell badly. Dashrath tried desperately to rush her to a hospital, but the journey around the mountain took so long that help came too late. His wife passed away. That moment broke him. He sat before the huge mountain and cried. But through his tears, he made a promise: this mountain took away my wife. I will not let it take away anyone else. I will break it with my own hands. When villagers heard this, they laughed. Arey Dashrath, you have lost your mind. You, a poor man, will break a mountain? But Dashrath did not reply. Quietly, he picked up a hammer and chisel and began. Day after day, blow after blow, he chipped at the hard rock. His hands bled. The scorching sun burnt his back. The rains drenched him. Often, he worked hungry because he had no time to earn money for food. Still, he did not stop. Years passed. Children grew into adults. But Dashrath kept working. People who once mocked him began to whisper, maybe this madman is actually doing something. Do you know, friends, how long he worked? 22 years. From 1960 to 1982, Dashrath Manjhi kept hammering. Finally, after 22 years of sweat, blood, and faith, he created a road 360 feet long, 30 feet wide, and 25 feet high, right through the mountain. Now, instead of walking 55 kilometers, villagers could reach hospitals, schools, and markets in just 15 kilometers. Dashrath, the man, once called mad, became the hero of thousands. Slowly, the whole nation came to know him as the Mountain Man of India. Leaders like Rahul Gandhi went to meet his family. He traveled to New Delhi to seek recognition and was rewarded by then Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. In 2016, the Indian Postal Department issued a postage stamp in his honor. His extraordinary life inspired many artists and filmmakers. A Kannada movie in 1998, Bhumi Thaiya Chochala Maga, had a character based on him. In 2011, another Kannada film, Olave Mandara, showed parts of his journey. The state-owned Films Division of India even made a documentary called The Man Who Moved the Mountain. In 2014, the famous TV show Satyamev Jayate, hosted by Aamir Khan, dedicated its first episode of Season 2 to Dashrath Manjhi's story. Aamir himself met Manjhi's son and daughter-in-law and promised financial help. And in 2015, the Bollywood film Manjhi the Mountain Man was released, directed by Ketan Mehta, starring Nawazuddin Siddiqui as Dashrath and Radhika Apte as his wife. The film made his story known to the entire world. Though Dashrath Manjhi passed away in 2007, his legacy lives on. His road still stands strong, used by thousands of villagers every day. A road built not by machines, but by the love of a husband, the determination of a man, and the belief that nothing is impossible if you don't give up. So my dear friends, Dashrath Manjhi's story teaches us, even the poorest man with courage can do something that changes the lives of thousands. No mountain is too big when your determination is bigger. If a man with just a hammer and chisel could move a mountain, imagine what you can do with your books, your knowledge, and your dreams. So friends, never say, I can't. Instead, say, I will try, and I will keep trying until I succeed. And if you enjoyed this motivational story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Story Sprout for more inspiring stories every week.